Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker Harman Kardon on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search at the right bottom. Then click on the search line and write Home. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. Hello. Get started. Select your account. I will use this one and then click I agree. Now select a home. I have it already. Next. While using the app. Continue. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.